Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Alex and big time. Today we're gonna talk about new tool for searching and analyzing the journals indexed in the Web of Science database. Actually, it's not a new tool, it's just good news that Clarivate Analytics company just improved their search engine for the journals to look and analyze the journals that they have in the Web of Science and related indexes. So let's see how it works and how it looks now. Okay, let's go. The website is still remaining the same. It's MJL, Master Journal List, clarivate.com. Here we are. Initially, I recommend to sign up to the website. In this system, it will open some little benefit that you may use for searching the journal. So it looks like this design, and there's the description on the new tool that they introduced, and actually we can here search by the journal title, the title word or the ISSN number. Previously it was a bit complicated, just like you have to put some title word and then you have to select the parameter like title word in order that the search will be a proper way. Otherwise, if you may type or insert the full journal title, but the parameter will be just title word, so there will be no search results. Or if you type the ISSN number of the journal, but it's some other parameter like unlike the ISSN, so there will be no search results as well. And for the time being, they have elaborated more easier way to search and to type the necessary things that you need to be in the search results. Let's click on search journals, just not typing anything. Here we see the system. To the left we have filters like Web of Science coverage. We can select some citation indexes or some other Web of Science, some other databases. Then we can select the open access option if you need to search for the journals that have only open access model of publication, when all the papers that published they are open worldwide. So next it will be the category. Here you may click and there will be the list of the categories that you may use, or you can also, for instance, you can type ecology and there will be some hints to click on the necessary category. Then you may select the country or region of the journal or a publisher. Then you may select the language of publications in this journal. Also, you may select the frequency. It's very useful tool to choose the frequency, because if you wish to publish your scientific paper in a 3-4 month period, but if you search for the journal which will be only annual, so it means it's only one issue per year, so there is actually the little probability to publish such a paper in such a journal. So it's better to use some more frequently published journal. And also you may click on journal citation reports to search for the journals which have up-to-date ranks. Okay, let's go further. Also, let's click on view profile page. For the first journal, we see it's two-dimensional materials. We see the ISSN number, EISSN, the publisher name, and the description of the journal, about, and general information. Very useful, like website of this journal, separately maybe the website of the publisher, the frequency of publications, country, and other some information, and also a separate website for the submission of the papers. Also, you may see the indexes for the citation of the journal, and some additional information like not only Web of Science core collection but other databases where this journal is indexed. And also, in previous version of this website there was no possibility to look at the impact factor, but now we see the information is up to date about the impact factor, about the journal metrics as well. It's very useful not to browse somewhere else for the information about impact factor of the journal, and some information about peer review terms. Okay, and let's go to the website of this journal as an example. Next, on the master journal list, we can use the very useful tool like Manuscript Nature. It means that you may just type the title of your paper, an abstract, and there will be some relevant results and appropriate journals for possible publication of your paper in terms of the title and its abstract. This is a very useful tool. We have a separate podcast about Elsevier Journal Finder, and there are also the publisher like Wiley and Springer. They also have such tools like searching by title and abstract. So let's see how it works here. As an example, let's take the first paper that we have in the journal we just opened. Let it be this one. So we will copy the title name and the abstract as well. Okay, let's type find journals. Okay, here we see 48 results. It's 48 journals that could be appropriate for the publication of the paper like this one. And they have a very interesting tool like match score. It means that it's like an index, and if it's more up to 1.0, so it's the most appropriate journal for the potential and possible successful publication of such a paper. And you can sort by match score or about the title from A to Z and vice versa. So let's look down below. The match score is going fewer. How do you think if you can search for the journal where we have found the paper initially? I mean two-dimension materials. Let's look further. No. So it's page number 4, and we see second D materials, two-dimension materials, and this journal match score is only 0.16, but as we see, the paper has been successfully published in this one journal. And next we can also download some useful information like about the journals in that of those citation indexed and other products and databases on the platform of Clarivate Analytics. But actually it will be a CSV file, so it's not very appropriate look in Excel, for example. Maybe in some other design it would be useful to download this information as well. So I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.